One of my personal favorite tiki mugs is the golden koi mug from Trader Vic's. There have been at least 2 different colorways for this mug, and while people are often looking to make the original cocktail that comes in the mug, Trader Vic's often changes a cocktail and the corresponding mug. In one of the older menus I have, you can see that the drink is the Golden Eye Koi, which includes a base of vodka. My assumption is that this was the original drink for the mug, but I'm not sure, and it probably lacked popularity due to the fact that it was made from vodka, and we won't be making that drink today. And the menu I have, it's not a vintage menu, it's probably from the 2010s, and we can kind of guess on that because all the drinks here are over $10. But in a more recent menu, from sometime between 2018 and 2022, don't exactly remember when I got this one, we can see that the Golden Koi mug was used for the Golden Grog, which was a drink of gold rum, Agricole Blanc, pineapple juice, their signature grog, and honey. While the historical recipes from Trader Vic's are pretty well known, mainly because he printed them in books, the modern day cocktails lack an online presence. They just don't seem to exist outside of some pictures and some people looking for recipes in online forums or Reddit, which is sad, but I also don't want to avoid these drinks just because we don't have the official recipes. I'd rather just try them myself while realizing that they might not be 100% accurate. But one thing we do know is the original recipe for Trader Vic's Grog, which was 2 ounces of Jamaican rum, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup, and a dash of Angostura bitters. And you will need all of those ingredients for this cocktail today. That means we need to swap in some Rhum Agricole and add some honey syrup. So for my version of the Golden Grog, I'll be using a Jamaican rum, an Appleton 8, and a Rhum JM Agricole Blanc. Rhum JM makes at least 2 Rhum Agricole Blancs. The 750 milliliter bottle, which has the green label, is 50% ABV, and the 1 liter bottle with the red label is 55% ABV. I have no idea if there's any differences between those two, but also feel free to use whatever Rhum Agricole Blanc that you have. Since it's a little higher in ABV, I'm just going to add in a 1/4 ounce of honey syrup, which will help sweeten it just a little, and it allows us to not need to modify the standard Trader Vic's Grog recipe. We'll build this one in our small shaker tin, starting with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 1/2 ounce of a 1:1 honey syrup, 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup. This one is homemade, but BG Reynolds makes one as well. 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of Appleton 8, and 1 ounce of our Rhum Agricole Blanc. Add some nugget ice to your tin and whip shake this for 10 to 15 seconds. Now dump it straight into your favorite fish mug. And top this with more ice. I'm going to garnish this one with some mint, pineapple wedge, and a cherry. There you go, the Golden Grog from Trader Vic's. That's really good. I really enjoy this. I mean, first of all, it's a gorgeous looking drink. I often don't like to use my tiki mugs. They're mainly for decorations or putting bar tools in. And I don't like to use them here because they often don't look good on camera. I think this mug just looks awesome. Drink looks great. This is unique and familiar. And I'm going to tell you, it's wonderful. This is a wonderful take on a grog. And that Rhum Agricole in there, it just adds a little different dimension. You're picking up just a touch of that sort of grassiness and floral note, but it's not overwhelming. It's just a little bit there. And then you're picking up that like rich, familiar Jamaican rum, but they're subdued. The passion fruit really comes through. It's this is great. I mean, I feel like an idiot holding this mug, but kind of forgot that we put that honey syrup in there. I think you could kind of ditch the honey syrup. maybe dial back on the passion fruit syrup and then use the honey syrup. It's not adding much to it. I'm not even picking it up. And another great part about this drink, it's a really good introduction to a Rhum Agricole. I have a bottle of Rhum Clement and it's pretty good, but that Rhum JM, the 55 ABV, it's really good. And it just adds a little bit of complexity here, a little bit of nuance that could get lost on someone if they're not really familiar with Rhum Agricole. But I think it makes a wonderful addition to this drink. And this is probably going to be something I keep on my rotation for personal drinks other than Mai Tais and daiquiris. It's really that good. Play around with the sweetness if you want to, but I think it's a wonderful drink to try out. I'm giving it 5 out of 5 golden koi fish. Red golden koi fish. That's it for this one. I'm Derek. This is Make a Drink. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel and telling all of your friends and family all about it. Otherwise, you can check out these other videos right here, and see you on the next one.